Bitcoin legal status, tax and regulation. Because of Bitcoin's decentralized nature and its trading on online exchanges located in many countries, regulation of Bitcoin has been difficult. However, the use of Bitcoin can be criminalized, and shutting down exchanges and the peer-to-peer economy in a given country would constitute a de facto ban. The legal status of Bitcoin varies substantially from country to country and is still undefined or changing in many of them. Regulations and bans that apply to Bitcoin probably extend to similar cryptocurrency systems. According to the Library of Congress, an absolute ban on trading or using cryptocurrencies applies in 8 countries: Algeria, Bolivia, Egypt, Iraq, Morocco, Nepal, Pakistan, and the United Arab Emirates. An implicit ban applies in another 15 countries, which include Bahrain, Bangladesh, China, Colombia, the Dominican Republic, Indonesia, Iran, Kuwait, Lesotho, Lithuania, Macau, Oman, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, and Taiwan. Regulatory warnings. The U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission has issued 4 customer advisories for Bitcoin and related investments. A July 2018 warning emphasized that trading in any cryptocurrency is often speculative, and there is a risk of theft from hacking and fraud. A February 2018 advisory warned against investing an IRA fund into virtual currencies. A December 2017 advisory warned that virtual currencies are risky because the exchanges are not regulated or supervised by a government agency. The exchanges may lack system safeguards and customer protections. Large price swings and flash crashes. Market manipulation. Theft and hacking. Self-dealing by the exchanges. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has also issued warnings. A May 2014 investor alert warned that investments involving Bitcoin might have high rates of fraud, and that investors might be solicited on social media sites. An earlier investor alert warned about the use of Bitcoin in Ponzi schemes. The European Banking Authority issued a warning in 2013 focusing on the lack of regulation of Bitcoin, the chance that exchanges would be hacked, the volatility of Bitcoin's price, and general fraud. The self-regulatory organization FINRA and the North American Securities Administrators Association have both issued investor alerts about Bitcoin. Price manipulation investigation. An official investigation into Bitcoin traders was reported in May 2018. The U.S. Justice Department launched an investigation into possible price manipulation, including the techniques of spoofing and wash trades. Traders in the U.S., the U.K., South Korea, and possibly other countries are being investigated. Brett Redfern, head of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's Division of Trading and Markets, had identified several manipulation techniques of concern in March 2018. The U.S. federal investigation was prompted by concerns of possible manipulation during future settlement dates. The final settlement price of CME Bitcoin futures is determined by prices on 4 exchanges: Bitstamp, Coinbase, Ickbit and Kraken. Following the first delivery date in January 2018, the CME requested extensive detailed trading information, but several of the exchanges refused to provide it and later provided only limited data. The Commodity Futures Trading Commission then subpoenaed the data from the exchanges. State and provincial securities regulators, coordinated through the North American Securities Administrators Association, are investigating Bitcoin scams and ECOs in 40 jurisdictions. Academic research published in the Journal of Monetary Economics concluded that price manipulation occurred during the Mt. Gox Bitcoin theft and that the market remains vulnerable to manipulation. The history of hacks, fraud and theft involving Bitcoin dates back to at least 2011. Research by John M. Griffin and Amin Shams in 2018 suggests that trading associated with increases in the amount of the Tether cryptocurrency and associated trading at the Bitfinex exchange account for about half of the price increase in Bitcoin in late 2017. J.L. Van der Velde, CEO of both Bitfinex and Tether, denied the claims of price manipulation. Bitfinex nor Tether is, or has ever, engaged in any sort of market or price manipulation. Tether issuances cannot be used to prop up the price of Bitcoin or any other coin/token on Bitfinex.